Start off by removing this lower panel here. Just pull straight out on the clips and the release. Next, remove the piece to the right side of the AC controls. Same process, just a couple of clips, just pull straight out and the release. Now this is a 12-volt power socket for like your cigarette lighter or whatnot and charging. Just pull straight out and then put it to the side. No need to remove the harnesses at all. This is where the push to start button would be at, but this model does not have it. I believe I heard you just take the ring off around it and then you can pop that piece off. But obviously I don't have that car, so I don't know exactly. Let's remove these 4 bolts holding the stereo in. They're 10 millimeter. Also, don't forget to watch my other videos on this car. How to remove the factory speakers, which is like the tweeters, the door speakers, the rear speakers, and also the wiring polarity for this car. And if you're curious, this is the non-JBL version. Just a heads up, if you do this a lot, install a lot of stereos, you might want to get a little bucket like this and just put like the names of the bolts, like armrest or stereo bolts. It's just easy to keep track of your bolts that way. Remove this panel to the right of the stereo. It's a pretty large panel, just be careful with it, it's pretty thin. Just pull evenly out on all the pieces and the clips will release. As you noticed, I put a blanket down below the stereo because once you pull the stereo out, you don't want it resting on the shift knob. Pull outwards on the AC controls here and you can unplug them. But like I said, put a blanket down so you don't scratch the car. Pull the stereo straight out. It's held in by clips. And there's some Molex plugs in the back. Just press down on the tab and pull straight out. That will release it from the stereo itself. As a reminder, if you have any kind of like plugs that are unplugged in the car, don't turn the key in the ignition to the on position. Toyotas I haven't had a problem with, but Nissans will definitely do that. I just don't do it on any car now, just to make sure, you know. Also, don't forget this plug to the right of the stereo. Thank you for watching.